You are in church, you have given your life to Jesus, but technically speaking, Satan still have the power of ownership over your life. How? By the reason of dedication. Watch this. He said, yet Michael the archangel, when contending with the devil, he disputed about the body of Moses. Who was disputing about the body of Moses? Do you even understand this English, this context? Anyway, I can show you. Okay, this man, you, this man, stand here. Stand there, quickly. Pastor, you come. Come, quickly. Please be fast. Stand here. This man is Moses, oh, but not you, not dead body. Moses wait on that dead body. Now, stand here. Free yourself. Now, God needed the body of Moses for a later assignment. Now, Archangel Michael came to town. You come. Stand here. Now, Archangel Michael came to pick the body, and Lucifer, you hold him. You are not Lucifer. I'm giving you this. Hold him. You hold this man. No. Hold him. Hold his hand. You came to take him. Try to take him. Then you say, stop it. Stop it. Then take your hands off. Now, do you understand what is... I'm trying to paint a picture. Now, this is Lucifer. This is Archangel Michael, and this is the body of Moses. Now, why will Lucifer be laying claim over the body of Moses with all his anointings? Moses that went to Pharaoh and said, thus saith the Lord, let my people go. Moses that commanded water to turn into blood. Moses that commanded frog to show up everywhere. Moses that commanded an angel went to kill the firstborns of Egypt. Moses that divided the Red Sea. Yet the devil was laying claim to the body of Moses. Hi. Moses, you are anointed in the church, but legally and technically speaking, you belong to me.
I hear you, Papa.
Why? Because Moses did not break the curse of his father's house. Today you are breaking out. You see the problem? Moses was following God, but there was no wisdom. So, because you know the reason why? It's something you deliberately acquire. That's what wisdom is. Wisdom is the deliberate acquisition of knowledge.
Yes.
Now you have given your life to Jesus. It doesn't end there. No. No, it doesn't end there. If you enter primary 1, there is primary 2. You can't live in a mansion and have one key. Every door to that mansion have different keys. In the kingdom, there are different keys.
Yes,
he said to Peter in Matthew 16, he said, I give you the keys. Keys, not singular, not key, keys. I give you keys, keys, plural, not singular. That means Peter, why will Peter need key? There are many doors he will need to open.
There are many doors.
With keys. And you, since you came to church, is one key you have. Life go hard you now. How you go carry one key, the waka? Meanwhile, you need about 20 doors to open. You open one, you say, this thing no they open. I don't know why. I don't know why. You carry, I go open. More keys, more doors. Are you hearing me? Now, the problem with a lot of people is this new creational realities. So they say all things are passed away. Now, what is the assumption? Christians work with assumption. That's why Jesus said, that the children of this world, they are wise in their own thing. What is assumption? You have assumed that because you have just given your life to Jesus, everything will turn. No. God is still not in charge here. We are in charge here. So we have to invite him in the place of invitation by prayer and sacrifice. He will show up and say, this is what you must do.
Yes, sir.
He is the Lord that teacheth us how to profit.
Yes, sir.
The one that shows us where we should go, how to go, that leadeth and direct our paths. Now watch this. Even the archangel Michael, when he was disputing with the devil, that is Satan, and arguing about the body of Moses, did not that bring an abusive condemnation against him, but simply said, the Lord rebuke you. You know what that means? This is Michael that chased this guy out of heaven. The two things that worked against Michael, the Bible said, he dare not He did not dare to bring an abusive condemnation. That is the devil and spirit fighting. And what are they using to fight? Technicalities. What are they fighting with? Legalities. I know in heaven you overpowered me, but here on earth, you can't overpower. Number one, you don't have the jurisdiction power here on earth. I have the jurisdiction power. That's the reason why Jacob was able to hold an angel down. The angel said, let me go. He said, I will not let you go. Because to heavens belongeth unto God, but to the earth has he given to the sons of men.
Yes.
Not angels. Angels are not part of it. Angels are bodies. Angels are personalities without human bodies.
Yes, sir.
So the angel could not break through because the angel doesn't have the jurisdiction right. And you can hold anybody to ransom if they don't have the jurisdiction right. So number one, it doesn't have the jurisdiction right. Number two, it doesn't have the right over the body of Moses because they were in the court. So somebody said technicalities.
Technicalities.
Somebody said legalities.
Legalities.
Somebody said technicalities.
Technicalities.
So they were in court. So they were judicially arguing. And the devil is a legal luminary. That's Satan. Very intelligent lawyer. He has record. Even record on the day your first father existed on earth. He goes into record and picks record and presents record against you.
Yes, sir.
It's not that he has power, he works by record.
He works by record, sir.
That's what he works with. And once he holds you to that, even God himself can't do anything. So what? The only thing he could say, he said, the Bible said, the archangel Michael dare not. He dare not. He dare not. That means he was respecting himself. That means even the archangel Michael understand the rules of engagement. So what did he do? He went to Supreme Court. He went to Supreme Court. No, he didn't go to Court of Appeal. He went to the Supreme Court. Because God is the creator that was not created,
Yes.
the owner of everything. So he went to the Supreme Court. He said, I know you have all the technicalities and legalities here in the High Court and in the Court of Appeal, but I deploy and summon the supremacy, the sovereignty of Elohim. I go into the Supreme Court and I obtain judgment, not me, but by the sovereignty of Elohim. The Lord rebuke thee.